My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the Telangana ICET 2024 Shift 1 exam, Section A, questions. Let's get started with a quick revision and some easy tricks to solve these questions fast. Stay tuned. Next question 11. What is the year of birth of Ramu? Given statements. 1. Ramu is 30 years younger than his father. 2. Ramu's sister was born in 1970 and is 25 years younger than her father. Step-by-step analysis. We are asked, in which year was Ramu born? Statement 1 alone. Ramu is 30 years younger than his father. But we don't know father's age or current year. So we can't calculate Ramu's birth year. Not sufficient. Statement 2 alone. Ramu's sister was born in 1970 and is 25 years younger than her father. So, her father's birth year. 1970 plus 25 equals 1995. Wrong approach. Wait. The correct method is, if she was born in 1970 and is 25 years younger, that means father was 25 years old in 1970. Father's birth year is equal to 1970 to 25 is equal to 1945. Now we know father's birth year is equal to 1945. But we don't know how much younger Ramu is compared to the father without statement I. So, alone, statement 2 is also not sufficient. Combine 1 and 2. From 2. Father was born in 1945. From 1. Ramu is 30 years younger than father. Ramu's birth year is equal to 1945 plus 30 equals 1975. We can now find Ramu's birth year. Quick trick. X years younger than is equal to add to elder person's birth year. Use simple subtraction to find the year. Final answer 3. Both statements together are sufficient, but neither alone is sufficient. Ramu's birth year is equal to 1975. Next question 12. A number x is what percent of another number y? Given statements. 1. X and y are in the ratio 7:5. Xy is equal to 7:5. 2. X is equal to y plus 40. Step-by-step analysis. We are asked, find what percent x is of y, i.e. xy times 100. Statement 1 alone. Given xy is equal to 75 x, y times 100 is equal to 75 times 100 is equal to 140%. We got the exact percentage. Statement I alone is sufficient. Statement 2 alone. Given x is equal to y plus 40. We can't find exact percentage unless we know the values of x and y. Example. If y is equal to 20, then x is equal to 60. 60 20 times 100 is equal to 300%. If y is equal to 80, then x is equal to 120. 120/80 times 100 equals 150. Different results not sufficient. Combine 1 and 2. Let's check. From 1x, y is equal to 75. From 2x is equal to y plus 40. Use these to solve. Let y is equal to 5k, then x is equal to 7k. Now, x is equal to y plus 47k is equal to 5k plus 42k is equal to 40k is equal to 20. Now, Y is equal to 5k is equal to 100. X is equal to 7k is equal to 140. Now, x y times 100 is equal to 140 slash 100 times 100 is equal to 140%. We got the same answer again. But since statement I alone was already enough, we don't need both. Quick trick. If x, y is equal to a, b, then x is ab times 100% of y. Final answer, 1. Statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question. Answer, x is 140% of y. Next question 13. What is the sum of two natural numbers? Given statements. 1. The sum of the two numbers plus their product is equal to 402. X plus y plus xy is equal to 402. 2. The two numbers are greater than 3. X3, y. Step-by-step analysis. We are asked to find x plus y. Statement 1 alone. We are given x plus y plus xy is equal to 402. Let's rearrange. X plus y plus xy is equal to 402 xy plus x plus y is equal to 402. Add 1 to both sides. Xy plus x plus y plus 1 is equal to 403. X plus 1, y plus 1 is equal to 403. Now, factor 403 to find possible values of x and y. 403 is equal to 13 times 31. So, x plus 1, y plus 1 is equal to 13, 31, x, y is equal to 12, 30 or 30, 12. Sum x plus y is equal to 12 plus 30 equals 42. We got a unique answer. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. Statement 2 alone says only x3, y3. This gives no specific value or equation. Not sufficient. Combine 1 and 2. Still gives the same result as 1 alone. So not needed. Quick trick. If you see x plus y plus xy is equal to some number, x plus 1, y plus 1 is equal to that number plus 1. Use factorization to solve fast. Final answer, 1. Statement I alone is sufficient to answer the question. Sum is equal to 42. Next question 14. Is the integer k an odd number? Given statements. 1. 5k plus 3 is even. 2. 4k plus 2 is even. Step-by-step analysis. We are asked, is k odd? Statement 1 alone. Given. 5k plus 3 is even number. Now analyze. If k is odd, 5k is odd, 5k plus 3 is equal to odd plus odd is equal to even. If k is even, 5k is even, 5k plus 3 is equal to even plus odd is equal to odd. So only odd k makes 5k plus 3 even. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. Statement 2 alone. Given. 4k plus 2 is even. But look. 4k is always even because 4 times any integer is even. 4k plus 2 is equal to even plus even is equal to even. So this expression is always even for any integer kk, whether odd or even. So this gives no information about k being odd or even. Not sufficient. Combine 1 and 2. Already 1 is sufficient. So combining does not help more. Quick trick. Odd plus or minus odd is equal to even. Even plus or minus even is equal to even. Odd plus or minus even is equal to odd. Use this to quickly test expressions. Final answer 1. Statement I alone is sufficient to determine if k is odd. Yes, k is odd. Next question 15. Find the polynomial f, degree 3 in which the coefficient of x3 is 1. Given statements. 1. F leaves remainder 1 when divided by x1. So, f1 is equal to 1. 2. F leaves the same remainder 1 when divided by x2 and x3. So, f2 is equal to 1, f3 is equal to 1. Step-by-step solution. Let f is equal to x3 plus ax2 plus bx plus c. Since degree is equal to 3 and coefficient of x3 is 1, we need to find constants a, b, c. For this, we use the remainder information. Create equations from the data. From 1. f1 is equal to 1 plus a plus b plus c is equal to 1 a plus b plus c is equal to 0, equation 1. From 2. f2 is equal to 8 plus 4 a plus 2b plus c is equal to 1 4 a plus 2b plus c is equal to minus 7, equation 2. f3 is equal to 27 plus 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 1 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to minus 26, equation 3. Solve the system. From 1. C is equal to a, b. Substitute into 2. 4a plus 2b plus a, b is equal to minus 7 3a plus b is equal to minus 7, equation 4. Substitute into 3. 9a plus 3b plus a, b is equal to minus 26 8a plus 2b is equal to minus 26 4a plus b is equal to minus 13, equation 5. Now subtract 4 from 5. 4a plus b, 3a plus b is equal to minus 13 minus 7, a is equal to minus 6. Substitute a is equal to 6, a is equal to minus 6 into equation 4. 3 minus 6 plus b is equal to minus 7 minus 18 plus b is equal to minus 7b is equal to 11. Now find c. C is equal to a, b is equal to minus 6, 11 is equal to 6 to 11 is equal to minus 5. Final polynomial. F is equal to x3, 6 times 2 plus 11x5. Conclusion. Statement I gives only one equation, not sufficient. Statement 2 gives two equations, not sufficient. Both together give three equations. Next question 16. What is the two-digit number? Given statements. 1. The sum of the two digits is 15. Unit digit plus tens digit is equal to 15. 2. The ratio of the two digits is 3:2. Let the digits be 3x and 2x. Step-by-step solution. Let the two-digit number be. Number is equal to 10x tens digit plus units digit. Using both statements together. Let digits be in 3 to ratio digits is equal to 3x and 2x. From 1. 3x plus 2x is equal to 15, 5x is equal to 15, x is equal to 3. Now digits is equal to 3x is equal to 9, 2x is equal to 6. So the two-digit number is equal to either 96 or 69 depending on place value. But check. 3x is bigger than 2x, likely tens is equal to 9, units is equal to 6. Number is equal to 96. Check individual statements. 1. Alone. Sum is equal to 15. Many possibilities like 9, 6, 8, 7, 7, 8, 6, 9. Not sufficient. 2. Alone. Ratio is equal to 3 to could be 3, 2, 6, 4, 9, 6. Multiple numbers not sufficient. Final answer. Option 3. Both statements together are sufficient, but neither alone is sufficient. Quick trick. For digit sum and ratio questions. 1. Use ratio values like 3x to x. 2. Plug into sum, solve x. 3. Get actual digits and form the number. Solve in under 1 minute. Next question 17. Is x positive? Given statements. 1. 3x plus y 0. 2. X, y 0. Step-by-step analysis. From I. 3x plus y 0, 3x, yx, y3. But we don't know the value or sign of y. Example. If y is equal to 6, then x minus 2, x could be positive or negative. If y is equal to minus 6, then x2, x is positive. So, 1 alone is not sufficient. From 2. X, y 0, x, y. But again, we don't know the value of y. If y is equal to minus 5, then x minus 5 could be negative. If y is equal to 2, then x2 positive. So, 2 alone is also not sufficient. Combine 1 and 2. From 1 3x plus y 0. From 2xy. Let's try combining. From 2 x y x y 0. Add both inequalities. 3x plus y plus x y 0 plus 0 4x 0 x 0. Yes. X is positive. Final answer option 3. Both statements together are sufficient, but neither alone is sufficient. Quick trick to solve in 1 minute. 1. Try to isolate x in each statement. 2. If variables like y remain, plug in values to test. 3. Combine inequalities if needed, adding is a key trick. 4. If you get a direct result like x0, you are done. Next question 18. Find the middle number of 11 consecutive integers. Given statements. 1. The product of the 11 consecutive integers is 0. 2. The sum of those 11 consecutive integers is 0. Step-by-step analysis. Let the 11 consecutive integers be x5, x4, x plus 5. Middle number is x. Statement I. Product is 0. One of the numbers is 0. That means 0 is present among the numbers. Since 0 is in the list and it lies at the center of symmetric numbers. So, middle number is 0. 1 alone is sufficient. Statement 2. Sum is 0. Sum of 11 consecutive integers is equal to 11 times average value. If sum is equal to 0, average is equal to 0. Middle number is equal to 0. As the numbers are symmetric around the middle. So, 2 alone is also sufficient. Final answer option 5. Each statement alone is sufficient. Note, this is a special case where option 5 applies. Even though original options 1, 4 are standard, some tests add a 5 each alone is sufficient. But if only options 1 to 4 are given, correct answer is option 1 if we assume 1 alone works. Option 2 if 2 alone. But best fit is option 1 or 2 depending on exams format. Quick trick. Product is equal to 0 in consecutive numbers. 0 is included. Sum is equal to 0 in odd count of numbers. Middle number is 0. For odd consecutive numbers, middle is equal to average. Solve in under 1 minute using symmetry and averages. Next question 19. Are triangles ABC and PQR of the same perimeter? 1. B is equal to C is equal to 90 degrees. 2. ABC and PQR are of same area. Given statements. 1. B is equal to C is equal to 90 degrees. In triangle ABC, angles B and C are 90 degrees, which is not possible in a triangle. Sum of angles in triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So, I is invalid or incorrect data. 2. ABC and PQR have the same area. Area is given, but that doesn't guarantee equal perimeter. Example. A triangle with sides 3, 4, 5 has area 6 and perimeter 12. Another triangle with different shape, like 6, 6, 6, can have same area but different perimeter. So, same area is not equal to same perimeter. Final answer, option 4. Both statements together are not sufficient. We cannot say anything about the perimeter from these statements. Quick tip to remember. Equal area doesn't mean equal perimeter. Invalid geometry, like to 90 degrees angles, immediately rule it out. Always check basic triangle rules. Angle sum is equal to 180 degrees, etc. Answer in under 30 seconds using logic. Next question 20. For real x, is vertical bar x 4 vertical bar 3? 1. Vertical bar x plus 2 vertical bar 3. 2. Vertical bar x 3 vertical bar 4. This means, is x in the interval 1, 7? Since x4 3 3 x4 3 1 x7. Given statements. 1. Vertical bar x plus 2 vertical bar 3. Solve. X plus 2 3 x plus 2 3 or x plus 2 3 x5 or x1. So, x 5 1. This partially overlaps with 1 7 but also includes values outside it. So, 1 alone is not sufficient. 2 x 3 4 vertical bar x 3 vertical bar 4. Solve. X 3 4 4 x 3 4 1 x 7 vertical bar x 3 vertical bar 4 backslash right arrow minus 4 x 3 4 backslash right arrow minus 1 x 7. So, x 1 7 x backslash in minus 1 7. This includes the range 1 7 but also includes values like 0 which are not in 1 7. So, 2 alone is also not sufficient. Combine 1 and 2. From 1x 5 1. From 2x 1 7. Intersection of both. 5 1 7 is equal to 1 1 7 is equal to 1 7. So combining both statements. X 1 7 x 4 heart. Final answer, option 3. Both statements together are sufficient, but neither alone is sufficient. Quick trick. For absolute value inequalities, convert to interval. Use number line logic to compare overlap ranges. Look for intersection when combining statements. Can solve this in under 1 minute with basic interval skills.